Hello, sixth graders. I'm going to show you what you're going to do today, and your goal is to create paragraphs like this. These are examples of people's paragraphs from last year, and they are very persuasive, and what I want you to see here is that there's a lot of thinking that goes into this. Doing this quickly and then turning it in will not work. Some of these aren't done incredibly well. There's some of this that you would change, but you can see that there's a lot of thought that goes into it. What you have so far is you've developed a convince me sheet. You started with a blank sheet like this, and it turned into something like this. Many of you have a lot of really great thinking that you have going on, but this includes all the pieces that you're going to need to create your persuasive paragraph. So today, you're going to turn what you have here into a paragraph on this form that has been posted in Google Classroom. So let me show you how that's done. First off, your directions are to write a persuasive paragraph using the topic and target audience from your Convince Me form. Type your paragraph in the box. Write using formal academic language. Proofread and edit your work. Please do not turn anything in that you haven't read through, and changed everything that you need to so that it's very formal. We have high expectations for this. The nice thing is, on this Convince Me sheet, you've developed all of your ideas. You can kind of copy and paste, but then you have to change things around to make it flow nicely. I am just going to copy my claim right from the beginning and put it into my persuasive paragraph, right? Reading will help you live a more fulfilled life. That's my claim. Now you'll notice I don't have background knowledge on my sample, but you should craft your background knowledge in there. I can't give you everything, but I'm going to go directly to my reason one. I take just my idea, not the actual heading there. Reading will make you a more kind person. I'm going to copy that and put that right in there. Okay, there's reason one. You can see I'm just going to continue to do this, and then I'm going to go down and take my backup that I used for reason one and plug it right in. Now, the way I wrote this, you can see that I've used transitions. Those are words or phrases that will move you from one idea to the next. If you don't have that, you need to put that in. I'm adding a period there too. So I'm going to keep doing this all the way through with my reasons and then my final thought. Okay, I'll just keep adding it in. What you're going to see is that I've already done this, so you don't have to watch me do it. So scroll down here, and this is what my paragraph from my Convince Me form turns out to be. Reading will help you live a more fulfilled life. For one, as you can see, I added this in. Reading will make you a more kind person. So this is an example of a transition. When I move from my first idea, which is my claim, into my first reason, I put a transition in between it so that it moves clearly from one idea to the next. Okay? As I read through this, I say, by reading stories, he learned about other people's experiences. All right? I'm checking to make sure that apostrophe is in the right place. Oops, here's a mistake. 2 periods. And now I need a space. This is what you want to do all the way through your paragraph. Please take your time, polish it up, add in the words that you need to, take out the ones that don't make sense, and make it strong. Okay? This will be graded. After this, when you are done with it, turn it in, and then you can go on to read your independent book, or you can work on your final project. Please do not be doing anything that's inappropriate. The sub is great. Ms. Johnson has subbed for me a lot. Please be respectful to her and do great work. All right. Take care.